Now see the practical of that program. Print first 10 natural number. Here we have given I equals to 1 to 10. Print I next I. Okay. So now we have to run this program. We have to go in run option. Then start. Okay. See creating .exe file. After few minutes, it will show the output of our program. Wait for a while. See, this is our output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is our first 10 natural number. Okay. Hope you all clear. Now see, press any key to continue. I press enter key. Now see, in the same program I do some changes here. What is our next? Now we will print first 10 natural number 1 to 10, but now I have to print the 10 natural number in reverse order. So for reverse order, our initial value is 10 because we have to print from 10, 9, 8, 7 like this. So 10 to 1. Now our step move from -1. Okay, here the value is decreasing. Okay, so I have changed only for one line, that is your loop line, conditional state, only our condition, initial statement and final value and initial value. So our initial value is 10 and final value is 1. Now when we decrease our value, that's why I have written here -1. Now see, when we run this program, what is our output? Start creating .exe file, starting the program. See the output here: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now press any key to continue. I press enter key. Now our next program is to print the series. Okay. Even number series 0 to 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now our initial value is 0. Okay. And our final value is 12. And what is the step here? 2. The value increased by 2. That's why I have written here step 2. Okay. Now see, run. I have to run the program. Start. See, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. This is our output. Now see, next program we have not done in theoretical part, but I have sent you the notes of that program. To print the square of the numbers. Okay, like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, like this. Okay, so for that we have to start from 1. Okay, I have to print the square of the number from 1 to 10. Only I have to print the first 10 numbers of the square. Okay, so here is step 1 only, because the value increment is 1. That means first of all we need the square of 1, then we need the square of 2, like this. Okay, here print I have written here print I comma I into I. Why I into I? Our counter variable is I. Here when I is 1, then 1 into 1 is 1. When I is 2, then it will print 2, and 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, uh, like this. Now first of all see that program in our notes, then you will be more clear. Wait. See, this is our program. See, CLS for I 1 to 10. Step is not necessary here because the increment is only 1. Okay, so now our value is 1. So it will print I, that means print 1 and then 1 into 1, that is your 1. Then next I, again it moved to the for loop. Now the value of I is increased by 1. That means before it will be 1, now it will be 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, the condition satisfied, then print I value is 2, then I into I, that means 2 into 2, that is your 4. Okay, then again next I, the value of I is now 3, the condition is true, then print I means the value of I is 3, I into I is 3 into 3, that is your 9. Next I, again the value of I will be 4. Now the value of I will be 4, condition satisfied, print I, that means print 4, I into I, that means 4 into 4 16. Next I, again the value of I now is 5, then condition satisfied, print I, that means 5 into 5 25. Okay, like this it will be continue up to 10. Okay, now again see the program, see the practical part of this. uh, See, CLS for I equals to 1 to 10. Step 1 I have written here. You also remove, first of all see with this step, okay. Print I into I, next I, and see, run the program and see the output here. See, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 16, 5 25, 6 36, 7 49, 8 64, 9 81, and 10 100. Okay, now press any key. Now I remove this step so it will be more clear to you. Without a step, the output is same. Okay, see, run. See, the output is same. That means when the difference is only 1, we have to increase the value by 1. So no need to give the step. It is not compulsory. But above 1, we have to give. Okay, step. Now please note down this all programs. I'm sending you the notes of this all programs in a PPT format. So please write down all the programs and do the homework also.